MS got to the point that he needed some assistance to walk, I was taken aback. He'd always been so active. Actually, we've always been so active together. But when his mobility started to get compromised after a few falls, we stopped going out to dinner, the theater, and even traveling. It got a little depressing.
I knew I needed some help when I had to cancel plans to go to the theater with some friends. I just couldn't risk falling down again or becoming fatigued when walking those long city blocks. That's when it hit me. I just want to remain active and strong so that Rose and I can continue to live our lives. I needed some help.
I didn't know where to look when I started my research. Everything I found was clunky, cold, and silver. I knew Tom would never go for that. He's not an old man.
Oh, well, I'm a little old, but I'm not drab. Hey, I'm a fun guy. What's fun about something cold and silver, barely works, stiff, not easy to use, not to mention has no style?
When our daughter sent me an email with a link to the Nitro Rollator, just one look at it, and I knew it was for Tom.
I'll be honest, when it arrived, I was very hesitant.
Tom, come on. When you took it out of the box, I believe your exact words were, "Wow, this is a hot rod."
Okay, you caught me. I mean, yeah, the sleek look helps a lot, but the way it moves, that's what really sold me. The large wheels make it easy to work on any kind of terrain. Pavement, asphalt, gravel, anything at all. I'm a tall guy, and the fact that the handles are adjustable, well, it's a perfect fit.
And I love the seat. Sometimes when we're at our grandchildren's soccer or ball games, there are no stands. The seat lets Tom sit and be comfortable and preserve his energy.
The brakes make perfect sense. The cables are inside the frame, so they never get caught on anything. I was afraid it was going to be too big for the plane, but it folds so easily. And we sail right through the narrow cruise hallways. We take it everywhere. To the doctor's office, out to dinner, the mall, for Rose's shopping trips. The removable carry bag helps me carry all of Rose's splurges. But the best part about the Nitro is it's easy to lift, and it fits nicely right in the trunk of the car. So many people stop me to take a look at the Nitro. One woman even wanted to take it for a test drive.
That's true. Everywhere we go, we get stopped. It's like he's a celebrity. To be perfectly honest, this Nitro has saved our life. We're more active than ever.
I've got to stay active and strong. I got a lot to live for.
I can't thank Drive enough. I have my Tom back.
Who wants ice cream?
Yay!
Right.